Hi everybody, it's Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life. I'm here with hashtag Artist Journal Prompt 2024, hosted by Life with Patti, and I'm going to call this my left-handed page. The week was flowers. So what I did is I used my Tapira paint sticks and then back forth. I got a stencil. I did pretty good using my stencil with my left hand, because my hand, I just took it, this was just, my bandage was just taken off, and so I did this all with my left hand. I did damn well, and I held the page and then stenciled, and then it was easy with the pens itself after I had the flowers done with the stencil. And then I made the stems of the flowers, and then I had these big jewels that I used. I thought they were cool in center of the flower. And that's this week's prompt, flowers. Thanks for watching, everybody. Have a good week. Bye.